and respected teachers and my dear friends. My name is Salman, studying 4th standard A section of New Modern Vidya High School. Good morning, my name is Dennis. I am studying 4th standard A section of New Modern Vidya High School. My topic is table. 1 7 is 7, 2 7 are 40, 2 7 are 21, 4 7 are 28, 5 7 are 35, 6 7 are 42, 7 7 are 49, 8 6 are 56, 9 7 are 63, 10 7 are 70. 1 8 is 8, 2 8 are 60, 3 8 are 24, 4 8 are 32, 5 8 are 40, 6 8 are 48, 7 8 are 56, 8 8 are 64, 9 8 are 72, 10 8 are 80, 1 9 is 9, 2 9 are 80, 3 9 are 27, 4 9 are 36,